Good morning, children. Welcome to your social science class. Now, in the last class, children, we have done till here. So, we had done that in India. We have three main seasons, that is winter, summer, and monsoon. So, today we are going to study first about the winter season. So, winter season in India, it starts from November to February, and January is the coldest month. And in North India, has a very harsh winter. It is very cold, and at some time the temperature goes below 0 degree. So the night, the coastal area, now the coastal area, it has pleasant winters. It is not that cold. Means the area which is near the sea. It does not have a very harsh winter. And in the desert region, the day is pleasant while the night is very cold. Now we have lot of fruits in winter season. We get fruits like apple, guava, oranges, grapes, and lot of green vegetables. So now see here, children, we have people enjoying the winter season. In winter season, they drink hot drinks, they sit near the fire, they wear woolen clothes. Now next, children, we have summer. So in India, summer starts from March to June, and in the month of June it is very hot. Now the temperature in North India, that is, it rises to 45 degrees centigrade. It is very hot, the days are very hot, and the day is longer than the night. Now, in some parts of the North India, children, hot wind blows. That is called Loo. It blows in the state of Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, and Haryana. Now, in summer season, children, we will see that many people, they go to the hill stations. Hill station like Shimla, Nainital. Now, see here, children. People enjoying in the summer season, they are having ice cream, they are wearing thin cotton clothes. Now next, children, we have monsoon season, that is rainy season. Now the monsoon season in India, it lasts from June to October. So rain bearing winds are called monsoon winds. They blow from the Arabian Sea and enter India from the state of Kerala and goes through Mumbai, Central India and East India till they reach West India and North India. Now some parts of the South India. In South India, we get rain from the month of October to November. Why? Because the monsoon winds, it blows from Bay of Bengal. Now children, we have seen that the coastal plains of India, now the seven sister states and the two island group receives heavy rainfall. And in some state, that is Rajasthan, we see the rainfall is very less. It is less than 10 centimeters. So children, I have finished the chapter. Now in your assignment, children, I have given you some activity. Now in that activity, children, you have to describe with drawings about the main three seasons in India. You will do this activity in the social science copy. So there are three seasons. You are going to describe those seasons through your drawings. Now you are going to draw this drawings. Now this is winter season, you will draw this. Now this is summer season, you are going to draw this, and this is monsoon season. And children, I have a project 2 also. We have done project 1, project 2 is left. So project 2, the topic is life in the desert. So the first project was transportation in India. So second is life in desert. So this you have to do in the scrapbook, and you have to paste the pictures of We have sheep of the desert, that is camel. Then we have desert plant. Any desert plant you can paste the picture. And then banjaras. You have to paste the picture of banjaras and sand dunes. So hope children you have understood this. Stay safe. Thank you children.